Open the cutter assembly and make a new drawing. Add a front view. Change the view style and scale as indicated. And click OK to continue. Right-click and select Edit Sheet Format to make any necessary format adjustments. Stop editing the sheet format to continue. Select the front view and click in the Alternate Position View command. Rename the new configuration as Open Config and click OK. Using the Move command, open the clause and click OK to return to the assembly drawing. Notice the phantom line indicating the clause position. Open the assembly, activate the default configuration, and close the clause if needed. Hold down the Control key, select the faces indicated, and add a distance mate of 104 millimeters. Select the Feature Manager, expand the Mates folder, and configure the distance mate. Make sure it is suppressed in the Open configuration. Activate the Open configuration. Hold down the Control key, select the same faces, and add a distance mate of 42 millimeters. Select the Feature Manager, right-click in the new distance mate, and configure it. Make sure it is suppressed in the default configuration. Slow double-click to rename the default configuration as Closed Config. Right-click in the Configuration Manager to add a new configuration named Motion and suppress both of the distance mates added. Select the Configuration Manager to review the different configurations and make sure only the motion configuration allows the assembly to move. Return to the assembly drawing. Select the front view and add a bill of materials. Use the indented type and click OK to continue. Locate the bill of materials in the sheet and adjust the columns and rows as needed to fit the available space. Select the front view and click in the Auto Balloon command. Change the balloon style to circular split line and click OK to continue. Arrange the balloons as needed to finish your drawing.